A watermark is important to be added to a document to sort of imply the status of that document, whether that document is a sample, whether it's a draft, whether it's confidential, or whether you're not to copy it or it's urgent. To add a watermark to this particular document, I'm going to click on page 2 and I'm going to go to Design in the ribbon and choose the Watermark button. Now here is a gallery of the most common types of watermarks you would use: confidential, do not copy, draft, sample, ASAP, and urgent. So you could choose one of those watermarks from the gallery, but I want to create my own custom watermark. When I go to custom watermark, I can either have a picture watermark or a text watermark. Let's start with the text one. If I choose text watermark, I can actually select from this list here, which has more options like personal and original and top secret. But I'm going to put my own text, property of software solutions. I can choose a font, so I might go for Arial. I can even stipulate the size, but I'll stick with auto. I can also choose a color. I might go for a darker grey. I can choose to turn off the semi-transparent, and I can have a diagonal watermark or a horizontal watermark. So I might just stick with diagonal and apply. And straight away I can see property of software solutions as my watermark diagonally through this document. If I wanted to apply a picture watermark instead, I'd go to picture watermark and I'd select a picture. I can either go off and search for a picture, or I can browse for a picture I already have, such as samples, and I'll insert that. It will automatically be washed out and it'll automatically scale it, though I could increase the scale, which I might do to 200%. And I'll click apply. And so there I can see my sample picture, which is a list of color samples, showing washed out at 200%, twice its normal size, as a watermark. So that might be my company logo that I'm putting behind every page. So you can have a picture watermark or you can have text watermark. Now at some point, if you want to remove the watermark, it's simply a matter of going to Watermark and choosing the Remove Watermark button, and it's quite simply removed. So watermarks are really quite straightforward.